Hello everyone, this is Edwin with a new channel. First episode over here with my WRX carbon fiber hood ready to install for the day. Let's get it. So here's the carbon fiber hood in casing. Oh, ready to install. Shout out to my boy Edwin for letting me use his car. Alright, so here we are with my RSX Type S, and I haven't turned it on in a while, so got a jump start here. So here's the old hood. It's all beat up. Well, it's time for a new one. So here's a close-up. Looks nice. Liking it. Ooh, I'm in love. Yup. Better than I expected. Super light, y'all. Super light. Alright, yeah. Super excited about this brand new hood. So next, put it on. All you have to do is basically disconnect this hose from the hood, then take out that bolt, and that bolt. There was 2 bolts on there, and then the same on this side. Same on this side. Alright, so we got the carbon fiber hood on. Just attach these 2 bolts. Alright, so this is the carbon fiber hood. All placed and adjusted. Thank you for watching my first episode. Catch you guys in the next one. Deuces.